Every year, thousands of lives are affected by natural disasters. Earthquakes, typhoons, floods, and landslides.
Nganit ng magnitude 5.6 na lindol ang Isabela. Lubog pa rin po sa baha ang ilang kalsada sa Quezon City. Naramdaman na nga sa Sarangani, General Santos at ilang karatig na probinsya ang magnitude 6.8 na lindol.
But the question is, are you ready? Are you prepared? Let us watch the heartfelt testimony of a resident who experienced firsthand the impact of a disaster that changed her life.
Ang ako nasinatian sa linog nga niabot sa kalibutan, sukad nga nakiguang na kuron, di ginako hinkalimutan ang akong kalisang, din anak ko hintupungan, oreso, maigidi ay nga mangandam ta, aron malikay ta sa mga disgrasya.
Being prepared today means surviving tomorrow. We cannot stop earthquakes, typhoons, or floods, but we can lessen their impact through awareness, readiness, and unity. Let us act now, not later. Prepare your home, protect your family, and help build a culture of safety. Be ready, stay safe. Disaster preparedness starts with you. Together, we can save lives.